All right, we're going to kind of just do a couple little pieces to kind of fill out the figure, give it a little bit more body structure. We're going to put in a little side piece for the torso. It's, we'll just give him a little more depth to his figure, or her figure. I think it's kind of an everyman. We're going to use our vice grips and to just clamp that piece to, it also helps hold everybody in place. And then this one I can tweak over just a little bit to match up where I want it, so we don't have a big piece sticking out. And the thing with wire and with all metals, when you heat them up, they're going to flex. So you got to kind of make sure, like that was kind of spring-loaded. And a spring-loaded piece is probably going to, when you heat it up, it's going to move. And then you have to stop and start over. So you kind of want to make sure it's not a spring-loaded, that it's actually right where you want it. But they do need to touch, otherwise it's hard to get the metal to fit.